Muscle pain happens to us all. If you work out or do a little too much gardening, you know what that feels like. But what if the pain isn't from everyday activities and you have chronic muscle pain you can't explain? Ever heard of fibromyalgia? Stay tuned and I'll explain what that is, the causes, and natural treatments you can use for relief. I'm Dr. David Dahlman for drdahlman.com. If you're looking for help for a strained muscle, a little pain medication usually does the trick. But what if your muscle pain has been building? It's throughout your body and it doesn't seem to be going away. Do you have fibromyalgia, which is characterized by the presence of chronic, widespread muscle pain? A diagnosis of fibromyalgia syndrome requires the finding of tenderness in 11 of 18 specifically defined points on the body, and you must have pain on both sides of the body and above and below the waist. These tender points are localized areas where slight to moderate pressure causes a sensation of pain. There is no known medical cure for fibromyalgia, and traditional medical treatments mostly reduce symptoms through education, exercise, medication, and psychological counseling. Relief varies on the individual and is rarely successful. A more successful treatment for fibromyalgia may revolve around a natural and nutritional therapy. There are 3 components to a natural fibromyalgia treatment. First, almost all fibromyalgia patients have poor bowel function. Second, they typically eat pain-causing foods. Third, since 80% of fibromyalgia patients are female, hormone imbalances also play a role. Some fibromyalgia patients have actually been diagnosed with irritable bowel syndrome or some other bowel condition, and even if you have no bowel complaints, improving the health of your gastrointestinal system is still the first step. If you eat a diet high in sugar, processed food, and bad oils and fats, you may be contributing to your pain. History of birth control pill usage and premenopause or menopausal hormone imbalances also play a role. There are natural treatments detailed in my free report to address all 3 of these issues. Please fill out the form below this video at drdahlman.com to receive a copy of my free report on how you can conquer fibromyalgia with my all-natural treatment describing a protocol to reestablish balance to the gastrointestinal system. It tells you what foods to eliminate and how to test for hormone imbalances and what natural hormone therapy you can use to restore your hormones. All done through a step-by-step process and an all-natural supplement program. Don't suffer from unexplained pain. There are all natural alternatives that may help. I'm Dr. David Dahlman for drdahlman.com. To read more information and view additional videos about natural therapies for many chronic health conditions, please visit drdahlman.com.